This is amazing.
There's stuff there. Okay, we're here at Uncle Tom's to eat some food.
And it looks really pretty.
Oh, look, they have a koi pond and everything.
Oh yeah.
Big boys.
Clips.
Big boys.
And look at that. They are big. Wow. You know, I would love to have something like that in our house one day, right? Totally beautiful. Yeah, look at this. And look at these old benches here. All carved with these old tables.
The wood, I love this. I love tables made out of wood, like natural tables.
Real tables.
So
Yeah.
good.
So anyway, I like this. I like how they have fans and everything and the lighting, but this whole outdoor feel here. The swings are a little low for me, I gotta tell you.
You can make it work. Just knees up, knees up.
But I do like up here. Look at these like nest baskets or something like for birds. Look at this. They're also very low though.
Knees up. Again, knees up.
Knees all the way up. All right, ready?
Okay. Get up there. Knees up.
I'm gonna go with more your style.
Maybe, yeah. There's stuff there. I'll give him. Incredible.
Yeah, that's for Bianca. Those are your type things. But look at this bench. Look at this bench. Look at that. All right, this is really, really pretty. Really cool.
Oh yeah, I would love having just like a coffee here or reading a book, and then the road is right here.
Yep.
So you can just people watch.
We are not very far from SM Mall areas and Mega World, all that stuff. So.
But let's go to the air conditioned room.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the air conditioning.
Oh, do you want the
it's
sign?
hot today. Oh, I see. Oh, wow. We're just coming in here to have some lunch after the archery. It's a lot of fun. Oh, it is nice and cool in here. Wow.
I know, the fan, everything.
You know what? You look really cool with that lighting behind you.
They look really cool in general.
All right, filet mignon, and it is absolutely delicious looking. The mashed potatoes we've already had, they're so delicious. I don't even know where they get the flavoring, but it tastes amazing. Potatoes I've ever had.
It's sizzling still. It's on a hot plate. Look at that. Look at theirs is like really good.
The filet mignon here though, they are huge. I was imagining a very small portion, and she got rare, and look at that.
I know
It's
everyone's gonna be
rare.
like, wow, you want rare? Look at
No,
that.
it's actually rare. That's fantastic. And yeah, we can't believe that these are 420 pesos. 420 pesos for a filet mignon steak dinner. What a great deal.
Steal.
It's a steal, yep. She's admitting to it, guys. She's admitting.
Yep.
Wait, don't tell them where this is, because they're gonna get steak.
Yeah.
Don't come here. Okay, it's just for us now. It's just for us.
Get the bacon around the edge.
Oh yes, you got the bacon wrap.
Oh my god.
That is bacon wrap. Oh yeah.
This is amazing. This is amazing.
Well. So, archery, you learned how you can hunt your own. And now,
I know how to.
you can bring it here to get cooked. How's that?
True.
That's a win.
A win is a win.
I see this. Okay.
That is so good. I love the crunchiness of it. Oh.
All right, here we are at La Paz Wet Market. We are going to have some very famous bok choy soup here in the wet market. We're really excited. Zanelle's gonna give us a tour of this place and showing us these amazing things. And so we want to thank Zanelle for being so amazing. So you can see here, this is the whole meat section over here. We've got some shomai, we've got lots of rice. There's pretty much everything in here, but you can get lost in here because there's so many different alleyways.
That's where we're going.
We are going to Neptong's. All right, I'm excited. And you can see here, we had rain earlier, but the rain has stopped, so everything is fantastic. It's a little low for me. I gotta crouch a little bit. Hello, hello. There it is.